The outcome of the Federal Reserve's meeting is certainly high on the agenda this trading week and perhaps this month. Anticipating any clues to when the US Central Bank will begin tapering its monetary stimulus, the US stock market took a nosedive as the US dollar appreciated across the board. What other events will make an impact on trading sentiment in the 2 last days of the week? Let's find out from our video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. Apart from the US regulator, the Swiss National Bank and the Bank of England are also due to unveil their policy decisions. Unlike the Swiss Central Bank that maintains the same policy since 2015 and has not dropped any hints about a reversion, the British Central Bank is taking a more flexible approach. The Monetary Policy Committee has made blunt remarks that they are poised to discuss a rate hike. However, on Thursday, on September 23, the key policy rate is sure to be put on hold. Thus, traders will focus on the central bank's rhetoric. Fresh hints about that the regulator is ready to upgrade monetary policy will benefit the pound sterling, so the British currency will have a chance to regain some of its recent losses. Dollar bulls will also find an excuse to speculate on Thursday in light of a weekly report on US unemployment claims. On the week ended September 11, the US Labor Department reported a minor increase in the number of Americans applying for first-time unemployment insurance. The fresh report is likely to show again contraction in jobless claims, printing a new low since the pandemic outbreak. This will be bullish for the US dollar as traders will summon expectations for a rate hike sooner than later. Besides, on Thursday, traders will take notice of preliminary PMIs by Market Economic think that tank for advanced economies. The regulators are expected to go down in September, though they remain at high levels. This is likely to boost demand for risky assets. On Friday, concerns of a fragile recovery of the global economy will resurface again. Investors are anticipating a report that will shed light on business conditions in Germany, the largest European economy. Importantly, the Business Climate Index has been declining for 3 months straight. Apparently, the indicator may continue its slide in September. Various economic sectors in Germany are still dealing with the logistic troubles. In addition, the travel sector has come to a standstill. German exporters are downgrading their sales forecast due to fading global demand. And on the final day of the trading week, market participants will be alerted to a speech by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. The policymaker could subdue jitters among global investors that have already fueled a slump in the US stock market. His statements are expected to reassure investors and invite them back to the market. Hence, the US dollar could respond with a downward correction. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.